Clarification. When you don't fully understand, ask for clarification. Did I hear you correctly? Could you spell that for me? Could you repeat that? I didn't catch that. What did you say? Did you say something? Excuse me, what are you really saying? I don't quite follow you. I don't understand. Could you speak a little slower? Sorry, I didn't catch that. You lost me. I'm confused. Could you be more specific? The end.